In this video, we're going to talk about affiliate marketing and what's the formula I personally use in order for me to generate an income. Okay, so guys, I'm going to get into the formula of affiliate marketing. If that interests you, stay tuned because I'm going to hop on my computer and we're going to share with you exactly the method that we use. What's up guys, welcome to another video, and I'm excited about this one because I'm going to talk about a specific plan that I've been using for ages. But the point that I want to make clear rather in this video is that you definitely need to implement and take action with this plan. It takes following it for some time to get results. If you're tired of jumping from one opportunity to the next, if you are exhausted with not learning proper skill sets that propel you to the next level, to the next stage of your life in terms of marketing. I personally, on this channel guys, I teach marketing and trading. Those are the two skill sets that I focus on, and I'm going to give you guys an overview of like the products the products and services that I use. So why do I have so many windows opening up? Sorry guys, I've been doing a lot of videos today. As you can see, I work hard in order for me to maintain a certain income online. This is not my full-time gig guys, this is a part-time at the moment, but it's in the future it will definitely be a full-time. This is the journey that we're on, okay, and I'm sharing with you as I go along. So I built a system guys, okay, it's called the Pro System, and it has mainly marketing skill sets that you can learn through specific products that actually can create a cash flow for yourself, which I think is important, okay? And then I have the trading side. But today I'm going to just focus on the marketing side because I think it's very important that you understand the elements and why I have these elements in place, okay? So I am going to first and foremost explain it to you. Let's write down here in red, okay? E1 up, okay? Then I'm going to write Clickfunnels, which is what I use. Okay, I'm being very transparent in my videos, guys. So hopefully you get value from this as we go along. If you don't want these products, you can still use the same strategy. So please, make me, or rather, let me know in the description, or rather in the comments of this video, whether this strategy is worth it for you, because it is working for me, and I hope that it does for you as well. Then there's TR, and there is sub. Okay. Now you might ask, what the hell is all of these things? So basically the marketing side of my business, this is how it is set up, okay? I have a program called Easy One Up in the main marketing section. Now this gives me 100% commissions, okay? Gives me 100% commissions. I purchased the product once, I make a sale now, and I get 100% of the commissions. Why? Because it's a peer-to-peer kind of business. How, then you might ask, is a company making money? Well, they're making money from the fees that you pay. So I get the commission. So the product is, for example, $100, just to give you an example, okay? $100 product has a $10 fee. So the company is earning on the $10 fee. So the more $100 products I sell, the more the company gets paid from the fee to maintain that product. Sorry, to maintain that product, etc. Okay, so that is how Easy One basically survives and everything. It's been online for the last 3 years, working really well for a lot of people, including myself, and I'm excited to share with you guys about this opportunity. So that is the first thing. It gives me 100% commissions. Then I have ClickFunnels, which is my marketing system, okay, that promotes this right here, okay, that promotes Easy One Up. What is ClickFunnels in short? Basically, when I say a marketing system, it's something that automates it for me. Now you see, guys, I have a full-time job, okay? So my way of making sure that I'm maximizing, or rather implementing the most amount of effort with the time that I have online with the tools that I use, it is important that I have tools, because if I don't have tools, I spend extra time marketing in a limited amount of time, and I'm actually doing tasks that can be automated. So for me personally, because I have a full-time job, it is very important for me to have the most done in the shortest amount of time, okay, which is why I have ClickFunnels. Okay, this is the main reason. I want to make it very clear. Maybe it's not for everybody. That's up to you to decide. Okay. In fact, if you want to understand the logic behind ClickFunnels and what are the secrets behind actually creating a sales funnel, there is a free, yes, I said the word free book in the description that you can get. Just look, you'll get, it's called .com Secrets, written by the founder of ClickFunnels itself. You can get it for free. All you need to do is pay for the shipping to your place. That's it. Okay. Otherwise, it's free, which is a steal, to be honest, if that's the case, because usually you have to pay for the book and the shipping, blah, 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 blah. But anyway, not to distract you, that is just so that you get an understanding of the idea. Okay. I always recommend that book to people because they're afraid, but they want to know more. So that book gets you to know more and also gets you to understand the mindset behind creating a sales funnel. Okay. So that's why I recommend the book always. That being said, it allows me basically while I'm sleeping, it promotes things for me. If I send traffic to it, it promotes things for me. Easy one up for me. Okay. It promotes my whole system. Now my whole system is built. I'm going to show you an overview of how I've done it. But basically, I lead people in with a free training. From a free training, and guys, the free training in the description. Okay. You get that for free. You can then decide to go. And this is all up to you. Okay. The value that I provide you is the free training. If after the free training you decide, hey, I don't want to go ahead with this, I don't like what David is doing, etc., fine, go live your life, and that's okay. It's no problem for me. Okay, I'm telling you very clearly, this is not that I'm spamming people. It's rather, and a lot of people think that affiliate marketing is spamming people. No. Okay, you market the product to get traffic to the page where you're leading people with an offer or product or service that you think is valuable for them. That's why it's affiliate marketing. Okay, and then they can get access to your other products or services. So I personally just get them and say, hey, this is the free training. You want the free training? I send you the free training. Congratulations, you got the free training. After that, if you do want to join me and see what I'm doing, then it's up to you. And in that case, you have the decision to make between learning how to market or learning how to trade. Both are available. And I'm going to show you that in a second. Okay. So ClickFunnels helps me automate this whole process, because if you think about it and knock on people's doors, I talk to people and say, did you get the free training? Okay. And then would you like to see also what the pro system is about? It takes too much of my time to do everything under the sky. Okay. Which is why I have a sales funnel in place. Okay. So what I focus on, and this is 80% of my time, is I focus on this here, right here. Okay. I focus on sending traffic, whether it's free or paid. Free would be, blogging, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest. These are free methods. Okay. So free methods or paid methods. Paid methods can be paid Facebook ads, paid YouTube ads, paid Instagram ads. LinkedIn could be a method that you use, which is also paid if you want to use the paid option. Solo ads, banner ads, these are, I can go on and on. There are multiple sources and how you could actually, generate traffic. But my aim of generating traffic is to always own that traffic. So at the end of the day, I'm always looking to build my email list. Okay, because then I own that traffic. It becomes much more cost effective for me to send 1,000 clicks because I have 1,000 people or 2,000 people on my list than actually purchase that every single time from Facebook or YouTube or whatever. Okay, so that it definitely is a more cost effective method. Traffic goes to the sales funnel that promotes Easy One Up. Okay, and the last thing is the support. Okay, when anybody joins me in Easy One Up, in ClickFunnels, or basically follows the strategy, I support them. Okay, so this supports this in general. Okay, I'm just going to put support here because it's connected to the whole system itself. Okay, now you may ask, David, but what is the strategy here? How do you actually make an income online? How do you start to generate cash flow, etc., etc.? The moment I make a sale in Easy One Up, this is literally what I do, guys. The moment I make a sale in Easy One Up, 50%, okay, goes to traffic. You heard me correctly. 50% goes to traffic. Okay. The other 50%, there is a distinction between this other 50%. Okay. Either this other 50% goes into my pocket, which makes me a happy man. Okay. I want to erase that section there. So erase this in the middle. There we go. You see? Happy man. So yeah, if the other 50% goes in my pocket, I'm a happy man, etc., etc. Or the other 50% in the beginning, when you're just getting started, goes to paying for ClickFunnels. And this is how, firstly, your system gets paid on its own. Okay, because ClickFunnels, the minimum I would say is $100 a month. So you make a 50% commission, and it goes always to paying off this until it's so automatic that the affiliate commissions in ClickFunnels and the affiliate commissions in Easy One Up just basically pay for this system every single month, and then everything else is profit. Okay, so it's up to you to decide. I'm mentioning both things because I think it's important that you understand the beginning. Maybe you're going to put those funds to ClickFunnels, or maybe not have it at all, or you can put it back into, or put 100% into traffic again. Because when you put 100% into traffic again, it just increases your velocity of actually getting results. Okay, so it's up to you, but basically this is the plan. A percentage goes into an advertising budget so that you have always advertising to your business, and the rest goes into your pocket. Simple, clear formula. Okay, that's the formula. This is the pro system. As I said before, it simply has the marketing here, the trading here if you want to join, and then it has, if you want to use, get the tools that I use. Okay, when you click on marketing, it takes you to the page here. I hope it doesn't start. I hope, let me scroll down. Yeah, pause. Yes, got it in time. So it have Easy One Up basically explained in about, what is it, 6-7 minutes here on this page. And if they click here, they can get started directly with Easy One Up. As you can see, it goes to the page. It shows you how it works. It says it shows you guys all the products here, and you can then decide whether you want to get started with whichever product. So if you want to get started with the $250, which I recommend, you click on Learn More, and it'll take you basically to the page where you have to join, get signed up, and once you finish, filling all the details here, it'll then take you to a new page where you will have to make the payment, and that's it. Okay, once you made the payment, reach out to me, guys. Always reach out to me because I will see the payment, but I like to know who's I like to be in contact with people who I do make sales with. And once they do, I verify them, add them in my group so I can support them and add this element of support to the business. Okay, that's how it is with the first. Then they can go to the next video. Okay, and the next video is the foundations. So here I talk about the foundation in general, where they can get the free book, where they can get Aweber, and finally getting the video right here. So even if they don't join ClickFunnels immediately, they can at least get the book right here. Okay, and when they click and they go to the book page, I don't know if it'll actually take me there because, okay, it will. Then later on from this page also, you can also purchase ClickFunnels and stuff like that. Okay, but this is the book. Okay, and lastly, finally, it'll show you exactly how you can start to generate traffic. So I'm not leaving you hanging there. I'm actually teaching you how to generate traffic, whether it's free or paid. Okay, I show you my paid sources right here. And last but not the least, I talk about the overview and the plan of how to implement these skills on a daily basis. What should be your guideline, how you should go about doing it, etc., etc. And if you haven't got started, it takes you basically to the Facebook group, or it takes you back to the page where you can buy Easy One Up once again. Okay, so this is the formula that I use for my affiliate marketing business. I hope that you enjoyed this, and it's pretty simple. It's not complicated at all. It's basically got a product or service, a marketing system, and traffic. And then you focus 80% of your time on the traffic, which is basically creating content and getting paid traffic. And that's it. Don't worry about anything else. Everything else takes care of itself if you set it up the right way. Okay, you want the free training, description of this video. And I hope you guys got value, and I hope to see you on the next video. Have a great day. Keep paving the way for your dreams to come true.